down here. I need gas. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Is my tire mark still up here?
Yeah, you think they cleaned it?
Look at my messed up tire marks. I don't think I can see them. Those are me. All me. All me. Yes, sir. Should have been gone. We had to come pick up the race truck. I said, yo, X-Man, we going for a ride. This man only got one seat in the race truck, no interior, all them buttons. Like we in an aircraft, man. The race truck, though. Yes, sir. Big cat.
What's that?
I'm struggling. I do this in one hand. I can't do it with one hand. Hey, here we go. Oh, look at that. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. She fast. Yeah, I don't want these problems, big fella. I told him we got all this room. We might as well put a Hellcat engine in here. What do you think? Yes, sir. Yes, man. Just one seat. Alright, fire the joint up. Oh. Got some smoky smoke. Y'all don't want it. Uh-oh. Fast. Oh yeah, I forgot it's expired. Yes, sir. Big cat, race truck, drive back time. Yes, sir. You ready to do pulls in this thing? Hope this thing don't break, man. Yes, sir. We outside. Let's get it. Got this Wawa up. Damn, I ain't been here in a minute. They put this joint up fast.
of a mile, exit right.
It's so beautiful out here, man. Hold on, so beautiful. Cruising in eco mode right now. About to hit 50,000 miles in a Hellcat, y'all. This is crazy, man. It's insane. It is insane. We got Chris here in the race truck. Smoking. That's how we drive, though. Know what I'm saying? I can chill out the actually I have my phone. Gotta be careful out here, y'all. Gotta be careful.
Accident reported ahead.
Oh shit. Shoot. Alright. Just steady. Forget about this car behind me. A little bit longer. Oh no. Oh, we got it. We hit it. That's crazy how we hit it. Speed up again. Got Daytona Hellcat up here. Woo! This thing is clean. This sounds good too. Oh man, looks good. Woo! so clean. He on E! He's on E! Oh! Oh, that big cat on E! Oh, shit! Woo! Oh! Oh! I'm hyped. It's gonna be a separate video.
In 1 mile, exit right.
Yeah, that thing is so clean, bro. Yeah.
Follow you.
Follow me on Instagram, bro.
I'll follow you right now.
Bet. Yo, this thing is so clean. You on E, huh? You on E, huh?
Yeah,
Are you on E? Oh, damn. Hey, Simplified too, brother. Huh, El Marie's as well. I said Simplified.
In a 1/4 of a mile.